I am taking off an exciting new series where I will teach you how to build apps, games, and websites from scratch. Today, I am diving into an app I created myself. I hosted it on my server and published it on the Google Play Store. Here is what it looks like in a browser. And if you check it out on the Play Store, a well-designed app should look something like this.
Sunday, hallelujah, rise and shine to broken bread and wine. The water could renew you when the river was high, but now it's run dry. Come the reckoning.
I built this app for testing purposes, but you can create something similar in English, Hindi, or any language. Think English quotes, social media posts for Facebook, or anything you want. The process is the same. Inside the app, you will find organized folders, including ones for background images. These backgrounds were generated using AI, and you can create similar ones using free online tools. I have sorted the backgrounds into 3 categories: one for jokes, one for romantic shayari, and so on. For example, the jokes folder has backgrounds tailored for humor, while the romantic shayari folder has images that match that mood. You can find tons of free websites to generate these AI-powered images. Let me show you the backgrounds. Check these out, all AI generated. If you navigate to the shayari section, you'll see how the backgrounds are stored in a folder.
Broke God's hand, pray I don't do it again. Mother, please believe me. I tried.
I kept it simple. The app's index.html code, I wrote it myself. Want to get this code for free? Here's the deal. The more likes and comments this video gets, the more likely I'll share it with you. The jokes section has its own set of files, and there's a PHP getImage file that holds the background images and displays them to users. Making changes is super easy because I have kept the code clean and straightforward. Plus, there is a manifest file for turning this into an Android app, and a server config for offline use, so users can access it without an internet connection. If you're uploading to the Play Store, you need a well-known folder with a JSON file, crucial for the submission process. So if you want the full project code, including the index.html, just like and comment on this video. The more engagement I see, the more likely I'll share it for free. That's all for today. In the next videos, I walk you through building advanced apps, games, or websites. So stay on this channel. Thanks for watching.